声音太大了。This is a homepage of the end forming machine, and this machine is single station. But all the program of the end forming machine we have done it as 3 stations. So we can also learn how to operate the double stations and triple stations on this machine operation. First, the page, the mode is manual. If you have set all the parameters, you can go to the semi-automatic like this. If this is manual, you need to operate the machine one by one from this panel. This is by manual operation. And if this is a semi-automatic machine, you can operate it by the footstep. 1 footstep and 1 full circle. Like this. This is a forming die drawing, and you can see this is a forming die 1 from 19 to 15, and the second one is from 15 to 12.7 millimeter. The first forming die will be installed here. This position called the first forming station, and it is where you install this forming die. See clearly. And on your double stations and forming machine, this position is for the second station, and this is where you install the second forming tuning, which is from 15 to 12.7 millimeter. This now is the semi-automatics mode, and I explain you all movement of this machine. Clamp. This is a clamp. After clamp, this position will be up. This one will be up. And later, it will do the first station forming. It's this one. Forming. First station. And actually on your double station, it back, and this will be moved like here. To the second station is here. The second station is forming tuning 2 from 15 millimeter to 12.7 millimeter. This one goes to here and it's forming again. And then this is the whole process of your product. Now we teach you the parameter meaning of this operation panel and explain you how to do it. First is this semi-automatic and manual. You click here F, it can change it. Okay? And the second, then you go to the power. You can see all of these data parameters is here. Part number is the one you are going to process. This can store 16 programs. The mode you can see 0 is manual and 1 is automatic, semi-automatic. Quantity is, for example, you want to produce 10,000 pieces, you can set 10,000 pieces. It will calculate one by one. Counter quantity is how many pieces you have done on this machine. Clamp timing is this movement. Clamp. the timing of this movement. And the clamp back is open. It's clamped down open. And this shape time is the forming time. Shape time 1 is the first station forming time. Like this, forming. This one move forming, the time of this. And shape back time is after this forming, it will back. Timing of the back. Your machine has 2 stations, and this shape time 2 is the second station. The forming time and the second station back time. This is for if you maybe in future you buy the 3 stations, then you will need to also input the time of the 3 stations. Tool exchanger. After this first station done, it's back, and this forming head need to go move like this. This is exchange time. It's same, first station, second station. Other things you don't need to set it, it's done. The oriented forward time is this. It's up, down. This is down time. And the back is the up time. Is this from the position up time is this one. Tube extraction. Tube extraction is after the forming, you take out the tube. The time of the take out. Shaping clamping is when this machine is forming, the clamping is still holding. The clamping is still holding during the forming. Orientate type is called the stopper type. Stop type has 2. One is if you choose zero, there is low this stopper movement. If you choose the one first, it means before forming. It's forming, and this will up. Forming, this one up. And if you choose the last, it means after you form it, after the whole process forming, this will down. Different type. And you also need to choose this type. 0 is single station, 1 is double station, and 2 is 3 station. You just your machine is double station. If you form a part just need 1 station, you choose 0. If the forming part need 2 station, you choose 1 double station.